Sometimes there is love in the New South Wales Local Court air, which quickly gets squashed. Here's an example from Cessnock Local Court. Not all courts have this, but in my opinion, Cessnock has the potential for a love in the air moment, because sitting in a particular spot in the gallery will make you visible on the courtroom cameras. So if the defendant's loved ones sit in that particular spot, the defendant who's being videoed in from jail may be able to see them. For the rest of us in the gallery who are off camera, you can usually tell the defendant has spotted their loved ones because of the waving and or blowing kisses into the camera, etc. And by the way, if you're a loved one and want to sit in this spot, there's no sign, you just have to work out where to sit in the gallery. At Cessnock, I've seen a father and brother sitting in that spot. When the defendant videoed in, they acknowledged each other with a wave. The defendant was actually being videoed in from Cessnock Police Station, which is right next door. I've seen a wife also from the police station next door being videoed in. She appeared quite upset, and while on mute, you can see her mouth to her husband, who's in the gallery, "I'm sorry." She had been police bail refused for allegedly biting her husband. There was a big backstory there. But some defendants aren't next door in the police station, rather they are being beamed in from a jail somewhere in New South Wales. This perhaps may be an opportunity for their loved ones to see them. So recently there was a defendant videoed in from jail. Their mother and girlfriend move into the spot midway through the court mention. The guy spots them, waves and blows kisses. The exchange is interrupted and any love in the courtroom air is squashed when the charges are read out loud. For the charge of drive recklessly, furiously or excessive speed, how do you plead? Guilty. Police assault, guilty. Hinder police, guilty. Drive an unregistered vehicle, guilty. Driving an uninsured vehicle, guilty. Driving unlicensed, guilty. And the court also goes on and calls up a previous community corrections order. There's no waving or blowing kisses now. The court mention ends and the video footage from jail is suddenly disconnected. Sometimes the courtroom gallery is visible to those coming in from the courtroom via video, but you have to be sitting in a particular spot in the gallery to be seen. For the rest of us in the gallery who can't be seen, don't assume the kisses and waves are meant for you.